We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friend, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the section of solid. Okay, first of all let us see the different plane, or we can say different cutting plane. Okay, so you can see here the basic principal planes are HP and VP. Okay, now here you can see the different auxiliary plane, in which auxiliary vertical plane, it is known as the AVP. Okay, so you can see AVP, auxiliary vertical plane, which is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP at an angle phi. Okay, is called the auxiliary vertical plane. Another is the auxiliary inclined plane. That is auxiliary inclined plane, which is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP by angle theta. And third one is the profile plane, which is perpendicular to both HP and VP. Now let us see different section plane. Okay, in which first is the section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now you can see here this plane which is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, now here how to show this cutting plane in its front view. Okay, so if the plane which is perpendicular to VP, so the cutting plane here you can see this as this line, it shows the cutting plane and it is in the front view. Okay, so the projection of this section plane on VP, okay, it shows the line, and the top view it shows the sectional view. Okay, so after cutting this cone, its view is shown, sectional view is shown in top view. Okay, so this is the sectional view. Second, section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Okay, this plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at an angle theta. Now you can see here it's shown by an inclined line in the front view. Okay, and you can see here the top view. Okay, so how we can represent this section plane in the front view? Okay, and next the section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Okay, so this plane is inclined to VP, so this section plane we can represent it on a plan. બરાબર છે, આને આપણે પ્લાનમાં બતાવી શકીએ. SS is the sectional plane and it represented by a line. Okay, so when it is inclined with VP, then we can represent this plane in a top view. Now here the section plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. Okay, it is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So profile plane, so we can represent it on, you can see on front view as well as top view both. Okay, so the section view you can see in the side view. Side view માં તમને sectional view જોવા મળે છે when the section plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. Okay, now an auxiliary inclined plane appears as a straight line in its front view. So this straight line is its VT, vertical trace. Okay, so an auxiliary inclined plane always got front view of its position is described in this problem. Okay, now you can see here it is the square pyramid. Okay, and it is cut by auxiliary inclined plane. So as per this BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, the cutting plane is shown as the center line inside the object and as a solid line outside the object. You can see the cutting plane is represented by the center line inside the object. Object ni andar આપણે center line થી બતાવીએ છીએ, and outside the object we can represent by a solid line. Now here you can see it's a sectional view in top view. So what are the properties of this section line? So they are light, okay? They are light, inclined at 45 degree with the reference line. Okay, so all these sectional lines are inclined at 45 degree with the reference line, means with the XY line, and they are 1 to 2 meter apart. 1 to 2 millimeter apart. So the spacing between these lines are 1 to 2 millimeter. Okay, so in this, after launching a section plane, either in front view or top view, the parts towards the observer is assumed to be removed. Towards the observer, here you can see the position of the observer is here, so this part will be removed. Okay, and as far as possible, the smaller part is assumed to be removed. Okay, so this part is smaller part, so it is assumed to be a remove, right? So how to represent the section plane, you can see here. Okay. Now in next illustration showing the important terms in sectioning, right? So you can see again it's a square pyramid. It is cut by auxiliary inclined plane. You can see it's an auxiliary inclined plane. So it shows the section plane, right? This line represents the sectional plane. Okay, it's a front view. This is the sectional top view. Okay, so the position of the observer is here, right? So if it cuts this line, so we have to represent this line on the top view. Barabar chhe? Okay, so you can see this. So this sectional view is the apparent shape of the section. It's not a true shape. બરાબર છે, આ true shape નથી, આ apparent shape છે આનો sectional view, અને તમે અહીંથી કટ કરો તો તમને top view માં આવો view દેખાય છે. It's not a true shape. If you want to find out its true shape, then you have to draw a view at the perpendicular to this line. આ જે કટિંગ પ્લેન છે, કટિંગ પ્લેન ને perpendicular તમે લાઈન ડ્રો કરો તો એના પર તમને true shape મળે છે. Okay, so it's a true shape of the section. Okay, so once again, this is the section plane. This is the true shape. Okay, this is the apparent shape, and the sectional lines are at 45 degree with a reference line, and these lines are 1 to 2 mm apart from each other, and this view is known as the sectional top view. Now next, these are the typical sectional planes. Okay, you can see the different cones are there. Okay, if you cut in different position, okay, so the cut sectional view is here triangle. If you cut with in this position, then you will get the ellipse. If you cut the sectional plane is parallel to one of its generator, then you will get the parabola. Okay, if the sectional plane is parallel to the axis, then you will get the hyperbola. Okay, now in cylinder, if you cut like this, then you will get the ellipse. Again, in square pyramid, okay, you will get this trapezium. So these are the different sectional planes. Now let us understand with some examples. A square prism of 45 mm side of base and axis height 90 mm rest with its base on HP such that one of the rectangular faces is inclined at 30 degree to VP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 60 degree to HP pass through a point on the axis at height of 70 mm. Draw the front view and sectional top view. Also draw the true shape of section 20 mm. Now let us first of all draw XY line, and you can see the square prism, one of its side is at 30 degree with the VP. So first of all you have to draw this side at 30 degree with XY line and complete this square of 45 mm side. Okay, so different points are there, A1, B2, C3 and D4. Now draw its front view. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Similarly here A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, now it is cut by auxiliary inclined plane. So side is 40 mm and its height is 90 mm. Okay, now cutting plane which pass from the distance of the 70 mm from its base. Okay, at this point check a cutting plane. This green line, it shows the cutting plane, and it is inclined with HP at 60 degree, and it is passing from the 70 mm from the base, from its axis. આ axis ઉપરથી base થી 70 mm distance ઉપરથી આ plane pass થાય છે. Okay, now let us identify some points. So here, intersection point of this cutting plane with this is a dash 1 dash is P. Okay, the cutting plane a dash 1 dash ne P agar intersect થાય છે. Similarly, at B dash 2 dash Q, okay, and between B and C it is R, between C and D it is S, and again here it is T. Okay, B dash 4 dash intersection point is T. Now project this point P, Q, R, S and T on its top view. So now here the point P is on A dash 1 dash. So if you draw the projections, so it has point A, right? These are the point P, Q, R, S and T. Okay, now from here point P, okay, is on A1. So point P will be here. Point Q is on B dash 2 dash. So here it is on point B. Okay, point R is in between B and C. Okay, B and C. Point R is in between B and C. Now draw the projections here. So point R will be here. Okay, and point S is between C and D. Similarly, here you can see it's between C and D. So point S will be here. Okay. Similarly, point T is on D dash 4 dash. So point T will be here, right? So this portion is known as the sectional top view. It's a sectional top view. બરાબર છે, આને તમે આ રીતે કટ કરશો તો એનો sectional top view આવું દેખાશે. Now, if you want to draw its the true shape, then we have to draw a line which is perpendicular to this sectional plane KG. બરાબર છે, આને perpendicular line આપણે પહેલા draw કરવી પડે. So here this is x1 y1. This x1 y1 is parallel to this cutting plane xy. Okay, now draw a line from point P perpendicular to KJ. KJ ne perpendicular P માંથી એક line draw કરો. Now measure the distance of point P from XY line. XY line થી point P no distance is D1. So mark the distance D1 from X1 Y1. બરાબર, આ D1 distance છે, X1 Y1 થી D1 distance measure કરી અને ત્યાં point P mark કરો. Similarly, draw the line from point Q perpendicular to this sectional plane, and the distance of point Q is D2 from XY. So distance of point Q is D2 from XY. Similarly, you can mark distance D2 in this line. So this point is Q. Now similarly draw a line from point R and S. Okay, so the distance of point R is D3. Now mark on this line distance D3. Distance of point S is D4. Is D4. Mark the point at a distance D4, and distance of point T is D5. So on this line, point D5. Okay. P, Q, R, S, and T. Join all these points P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So it is our true shape. This is known as the true shape. Okay. Now let us understand with some more example. A square pyramid, base 40 mm, side and axis 65 mm long, has its base on the HP with two edges of base perpendicular to the VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 45 to the HP and bisecting the axis. Draw its sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape of the section. Now, square pyramid is there. Okay, and here you can see it's a square pyramid. Okay? And axis is 65 mm. So you can see this is the square pyramid. Okay, in the top view, we have to draw the square, right, of 40 mm side, and in the front view, it's a triangle. It is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane. which bisect the axis. Okay, you can see this is the cutting plane which bisect the axis. This axis na bisect કરે છે અને it is at 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Okay. So now first of all, this cutting plane, it cut the line is A dash O dash at point 1. A dash O dash at point 1. B dash O dash at point 2. C dash O dash at point 3. And D dash O dash at point 4. Okay. So these are the different points. Now project this point on the top. So point 1 dash is on A dash O dash. So here this is A dash O dash. Now draw the projections. So point 1 will be here on AO. Similarly, point 2 is on B dash O dash. So here you can see this is the BO. So point 2 will be at here. Okay, on BO. Similarly, point 3 is on CO. So point 3 will be here, and point 4 is on BO. So it's a point 4. Okay. Now join 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a sectional top view. Okay. It's a sectional top view. Now we have to draw the sectional side view. So for that, in side view, draw its side view. Okay, as per our method. Now in this, here it is O double dash A double dash, O double dash B double dash, O double dash C double dash, O double dash B double dash. Now draw the projections from here. Projections of 1 dash and 4 dash. So 1 dash is on O double dash A double dash. Okay. So here point 1 double dash. Similarly, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, and 4 double dash. Now join all this point. 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, and 4 double dash, 4 double dash, 1 double dash. Okay. So this is known as the sectional side view. Okay. Now to draw it's a true shape, we have to draw one line which is x1 y1 parallel to this cutting plane. Okay. So as usual, the distance of 1 dash from xy, so draw take same distance from this 1 dash as 1. Similarly, distance of point 2 from xy, take same distance from this point 2, and this point is 2 here. Similarly, mark the point 3 and 4. So you can see it's our true shape. Okay. This is a true shape. Okay. Now let's understand by one more example. A square prism base 40 mm side axis long as its base on the HP and its basis equally inclined to VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 60 degree to the HP and passing through a point on the axis 55 mm above the HP. Draw its front view, sectional top view, and another top view on auxiliary inclined plane parallel to sectional plane. Okay. Now it's a square prism, base 40 mm side, axis 60 mm north, as its base on the HP and its base equally inclined to the VP. Okay. So first of all, draw its top view. So all the faces are equally inclined to VP. That means all the faces are inclined at 45 degree with the VP. So first of all, draw this square. Okay, its faces are inclined at 45 degree with XY line. So A1, B2, C3, B4. Similarly, draw its front view. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay. Now it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 60 degree to the HP. Okay, and passing to the point on the axis 55 mm above the HP. So first of all, mark a point at a distance of 55 mm from this XY line. Okay. Now draw a cutting plane which is at 60 degree from XY line. Okay, or 30 degree from this axis. બરાબર છે. તો અહીંયાથી તમે XY સાથે 60 ડિગ્રી ઉપર આ કટિંગ પ્લેન દોરો અને અહીંયાથી 55 mm ડિસ્ટન્સ ઉપરથી પાસ. right? So this cutting plane, it will intersect between here AB at point P, in 2B at point Q dash, in 3 dash C dash at point R dash, in 4 dash D dash point S dash, and between B dash A dash at point T. बराबर છે? અહીં જુઓ તમે AB P, 2B Q, 3C R, 4D S, and DA T. Now project all these points on its top Q. First of all, projection of point P. So P is in between A and B. So A and B. So P is at between A and D. So point P is in here at A and D. Point T is in between A and B. So point T will be here. Okay. And point R. Now here on the axis, point Q and S dash. Q dash and S dash are on axis. So for that, first of all, we have to draw a line. અહીંયાથી તમારે લાઈન ડ્રો કરવાની છે એક્સિસને પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર, અને એને તમારે આ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર નીચે લાવવાની. બરાબર છે? અહીંથી તમે નીચે લાવો અને પછી અહીંયા આ જે એનું સેન્ટર છે, સેન્ટર ઉપરથી આટલી રેડિયસ લઈ અને બંને સાઈડ તમે આર્ક મારશો તો એ આર્ક ઉપર જે પોઈન્ટ મળશે આપણને ક્યુ અને એસ પોઈન્ટ મળશે. બરાબર? જ્યારે કોઈ એક્સિસ ઉપર પોઈન્ટ હોય ત્યારે આપણે એને પહેલા અહીંયા સાઈડમાં લઈ જવાનું, ત્યાંથી એને પ્રોજેક્ટ કરી અને પછી એને આર્ક મારશો બંને સાઈડ એટલે તમને ક્યુ અને એસ પોઈન્ટ મળશે. બરાબર છે? નાઉ જોઈન ઓલ ધીસ પોઈન્ટ P, Q, R, S, T. So it's our sectional top view. This is known as the sectional top view. Now to draw, it's a true shape, draw a line x1, y1 which is parallel to the cutting plane, and draw the lines which are perpendicular to this cutting plane from all these points A, B, C, D, E, or A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and from point P, Q, R, S, and T. બરાબર છે? So mark the distance of point Q from XY. XY જે P નું જેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એટલું અહીંયાથી તમે P પોઈન્ટ મૂકશો. એ જ રીતે Q નું જેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એટલું તમે Q માં અહીંથી આ Q ડિસ્ટન્સ, S ડિસ્ટન્સ, આ તમને આ જે વ્યૂ મળશે, this view is known as the true shape. It's a true shape, right?